Hello friends, welcome to today's session on quadratic equations. In this session I am going to explain first and second questions for you from exercise 4.4 chapter 4 quadratic equations. So let's read the first question. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. So he has given some quadratic equations. We have to find out the nature of the roots, and then if the roots are real, we have to find out the roots of the equation. So first of all, to find out the nature of the roots, we have to calculate the value of discriminant, something called discriminant. So if a quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then the discriminant becomes b square minus 4ac. Okay, so using this discriminant value, we can find out the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. So here b square minus 4ac, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are not real for this equation. No real roots. Okay, no real roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then it has two real equal roots. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, it has distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots. Okay, this is the condition for finding the nature of the roots. So let's calculate b square minus 4ac value for this equation. Here, for this equation, a value is 2, b value is minus 3, c value is 5. Okay, if we assume this equation to be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, then the values of a, b and c are respectively 2, minus 3 and 5. Now let's calculate the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 5. That is equal to minus 3 whole square is 9. 9 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 5s are 40. 9 minus 40. That is equal to minus 31. Okay. Now we got the b square minus 4ac value is less than 0. So what is the condition when b square minus 4ac is less than 0? It has no real roots, right? We have discussed just before that if b square minus 4ac value is less than 0, there exists no real roots. So this equation has no real roots. Okay, that is the solution for this problem. Now let's move to the second part of this question. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So again we will assume this equation to be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, now we will calculate the value of discriminant. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3, c is equal to 4. Okay, now let's calculate the value of discriminant. Discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to b square is minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 3, c is 4. Okay, what is the value of b square minus 4ac? 4 square is 16 into 3 is 16 3s are 48 minus 4 4s are 16 3s are 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. So we got the discriminant value as 0. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the equation has two equal real roots. Okay, this is the solution. Now let's find out the roots of this equation. So what is the formula for finding the roots of the equation? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula for finding out the roots of the equation. Here we already calculated b square minus 4ac value, which is 0. So we will not consider this part. So the roots become minus b by 2a. What is the value of minus b by 2a? Minus of b value is minus 4 root 3 divided by 2a. 2 into a is 3. That is equal to 4 root 3 divided by 2 into 3. 2 ones are 2 twos are root 3 ones are root 3's. That is equal to 2 by root 3. So it has two equal roots. Now we have figured out that it has two equal roots, which is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3, comma 2 by root 3. They are two equal real roots because b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now let's move to the last part of the first question. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Again, let's assume this to be of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a value is 2, b value is minus 6, c value is 3. Okay, now we have to find out the value of discriminant. B square minus 4ac, that is equal to b square is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 3. That is equal to 6 square is 36 minus 2 3s are 6 4s are 24. That is equal to 6 minus 4 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 12. So because here b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0. So it has two distinct real roots. Okay, this is the nature of the roots. Now let's find out the value of the roots. So what is the formula for finding out the value of the roots? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is equal to, what is minus b? Minus of minus 6 plus or minus square root of, what is the value of b square minus 4ac? Just now we have found out that b square minus 4ac is 12. 12 divided by 2 into a is 2. Okay. Now this is equal to minus of minus 6 is plus 6. 6 plus or minus square root of 12 divided by 4. Okay, that is equal to six by 4 plus or minus root 12 by 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. That is equal to 3 by 2 plus or minus root 12 can be written as 4 into 3, right? So 4 into 3 becomes 2 root 3. So root 12 can be written as 2 root 3 because if 2 goes inside it becomes 4. 4 into 3 is root 12. So by 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So that is equal to 3 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2. That is equal to 3 plus or minus root 3 by 2. These are the two roots for this equation. One root is 3 plus root 3 by 2. The other root is 3 minus root 3 by 2. Hope this is clear for you. Now let's move to the second question. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal real roots. So it is given that this quadratic equation has two equal real roots. So what is the condition for equal real roots? The discriminant becomes 0. If the equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the discriminant will become 0. That is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That is the condition. Here the value of a is equal to 2, b is equal to k, c is equal to 3. Now let's calculate the value of b square minus 4ac. K square minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 3 is equal to 0. This is the condition. So k square minus 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. K square minus 24 is equal to 0. So that implies k square is equal to 24 and k is equal to plus or minus square root of 24. So what's the value of 24? 24 can be written as plus or minus 6 into 4, right? 6 4s are 24. So it becomes plus or minus 4 comes to outside, it becomes 2 square root of 6. Okay, this is the answer for the problem. The value of k is plus or minus 2 root 6. Now let's move to the second part of the question. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. First let's expand this equation. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. So kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. So the condition for this equation is b square minus 4ac is 0 because it has two equal real roots. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here a is equal to, for this equation a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k, c is equal to 6. Now b square minus 4ac becomes minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a is k into c is 6 is equal to 0. So 2k whole square becomes 4k square minus 6 4s are 24k is equal to 0. So 4k square is equal to 24k. 4 1s are 4 6 are and kk gets cancelled. So k is equal to 6. Okay, this is the value of k. If the discriminant value is 0, then we have arrived at the value of k as 6. Hope this is clear for you. That's all for this session. Please, you can refer to other videos for more solved questions from this exercise. And please subscribe to the channel and share the videos. Also leave your feedback in the comment section below. Until then, see you.